Hi guys, weekend vlog number 3. It was so hard for me to get out the house, but I did my makeup, I got dressed, and now I'm going to Leimert Park for the Juneteenth little festival thing. I'm gonna be vlogging it, and it's really hot in here, so where's the window? How do you, right here. Okay, I found it. Jeez. But yes, I will be vlogging. Ooh, look at my makeup, guys. I was gonna wear a black hijab, but then I went for the green because I love green and pink together. Literally one of my favorite combos. But yes, okay. Let's start driving because it's an hour drive right now. I'm gonna get there around 6:30, which I don't mind because I really hate sweating my makeup off. But yes, okay. I'll get this. How do you release the brake in this car? Oh. Why am I acting like I don't know how to drive a car? Like, it's just a car. Okay, I'm not gonna vlog and drive. Okay, bye. Hey guys, I just parked. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm wearing, and then I'm gonna walk over to the area because I kind of parked not far, but like a little walk because there's literally no parking. But yes, let me show you my outfit, and then we're gonna walk over there and see what's going on. Okay, I propped you guys on the purse on my bag. I have this sweater just in case the sliding is bad. Hold on. Okay, I have the sweater just in case it gets cold, but I'm wearing these thrifted white cargos, chucks for comfortability, and my green Bella hijab and lime crush. But yes, I don't think I'm gonna wear the sweater. I think I should leave the sweater in the car. I'll be fine, it's LA. But yes, that's what I'm wearing. And then my face, I really like makeup today, it's really glowy. But yeah, I'm parked in like a residential area. These homes are so cute. But yes, I'm gonna take some pictures literally right now. I'm so annoying. Okay, bye. Look at that house, and then look at this house, and then across the street. I mean, they're pretty old. I like them. They have character. Awkward to vlog in public. People really watching me, but whatever. But yeah, I'm getting in the hang of it, I guess. This is the 3rd weekend that I'm vlogging in a row, so I'm hoping that I can stay consistent, which is the hardest part. Ooh, sun. But yes, we'll see. Yeah, I'm already thinking about what to eat later. Yikes, I heard a voice. Yeah, I'm thinking about what to eat later. I don't know what to eat. I want something good. This house is really cool. I don't know if you can see it in the light, but wow, I love it. They're like small and quaint, but like each one is like different, like architecturally. This one's so cute.
She was like, ooh, I'm scared of you. I was like, the heck? What that mean? She was like, ooh, I'm scared of you. And then at the end of the night, right? She was like, ooh. I gotta piece the story. You gotta help me out though, it'd be cool. Say.
These flowers match me. Liking a pic. Oh gosh. Hey guys. I'm just kidding. Success. I was there for literally like an hour and a half. That was the perfect amount of time. It wasn't too hot. I saw MASEGO perform. I'm gonna put it in there in the vlog. It was fire. His saxophone makes me want to listen to jazz on the way home. I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna get food and I'm gonna call it a night because I honestly forced myself to get out of the house. And I ran into Hannah and Reham and Edwa and Bari. It was a good time. But yes, I'm gonna get home, wash this makeup off. And yeah, maybe I'll talk to you guys tomorrow because there's really nothing else I'm gonna do today besides eat and sleep. But yeah, this was also really inspiring. I ran into AKO, his name is. I'll link him and I'll put a picture of his Instagram somewhere, but his work is really, really cool. He recently got a collab with Clark's Originals. And I was so happy, and I ran into him and we spoke, and I was just giving him his props because African kid artists, like, it's literally one of the hardest things you could do because you really just doubt yourself the entire time. And once you finish and you're there and you've achieved stuff, you're just like, what are you even doing? No, switch it up. Like, maybe you should go back to, I'm literally thinking I should go back to school and like go do medical school or something like that, like something stupid when I'm okay. It's just imposter syndrome. But yeah, just very inspiring. I want to go and like make things and paint and like keep vlogging and taking pictures. So this was really, really nice. I'm rambling, but let me drive home because gas is too expensive for this. Okay, bye.
My dissertation. I feel like I low-key forgot that I was a uni student. I need that not to be the case, but the plan for the rest of the day is just go home, do uni work.
Hi guys. I didn't do anything today. It's literally 6 p.m. and I'm leaving my house so I can go on a walk. I keep yawning. You know when you like sleep a little too long and then you become groggy for the rest of the day? That's what happened to me. But I'm just gonna go for a walk. And then I'm probably gonna come back and cook something to eat, something healthy. I'm really tempted to just grab In and Out. But yeah, I'm probably just gonna go for a walk, come back, make some food, and then do one of those like self-care showers, like a fully pamper, like a Sunday shower. I made it to the park. I have my beats, I have my water, and it's actually really nice out. It's not too hot. Sometimes I come walk in like the afternoon and it's like so hot. It's so hot. Oh my god, I'm all sweaty and gross, but it's okay. I'm trying to stay consistent. Ew. Ew, 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 ew. This is so gross, but you know what? This is YouTube. It doesn't matter. I'm trying to get at least 5,000 steps in a day. I know they say 10,000, but like, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying. But yes, that was a good walk. I pushed myself to do 2 more laps, then I was gonna stop. I was like, it's okay, just do 2 more laps. So I have sunscreen and sweat on my face. Disgusting. But yeah. Just kidding. Okay, bye. Good morning. Oh gosh, things are falling out of my hands. I have a shoot today, this morning. It's a makeup brand. I just drove almost 2 hours to get here. Traffic was really annoying, but I'm basically on time. Like I'm 5 minutes late, but that's because I'm parked far. And why am I out of breath? I'm gonna try to vlog today. Yeah, it should be fun. Okay, bye. And that's a wrap. And LA traffic. Ew. How annoying. It's hot outside. That was actually such a long day. Yeah. We're in Italy right now. We found this cute little nook. Welcome to our vlog. Welcome Hannah to the vlog.
Hi guys.
Okay, you have no shirt on.
I'm close. It's summertime. It's hot. But we just got into Italy a few hours ago, so we're kind of jet lagged.
Yeah, we're a little jet lagged.
But we're gonna try to get as much content for you guys.
Yeah, guess the parents. What is that?
We in LA now.
Yeah, we're in LA. Dirty, dirty LA. Ew. But yeah. I finished my shoot.
Yeah,
I finished my shoot. I talked to them earlier. I finished my shoot, and now I'm gonna go panic because I don't want to sit in traffic. So that's ghetto. It's literally hour 17 to get home. So I'm gonna eat. It's like 12 minutes for 2 miles.
Bro.
Makes no sense. But yeah, I will check in later, maybe when I get home or something. But I'm gonna eat, and oh, this is cute. But yeah, okay, see ya.
The Tower of Terror.
Literally the Tower of Terror. God. It drops though.
I wish I got you the
I know the first time. I knew you were gonna do that.
Thank you.
Okay, we're back at the beach. We're back at the beach.
After a million fucking steps.
Yeah, pretty annoying, but we made it. I'm gonna try to spend the whole summer at the beach. But we're at Laguna today. Last time we were at Corona Del Mar.
Oh, so
And I
pretty.
spotted Miriam. Let me show you. There she is. Cutie. Hi guys, I look ashy because I just got out of the shower and I just threw a hijab on my head so I can vlog. Yeah, it's Saturday. I am about to do my skincare. And I thought I'd hop on and do an unboxing because I got a new product from Used to the People. Shout out them. But yeah, this is how my skin looks out of the shower. Like, it looks so dry and scary. But I woke up, I had nothing to eat. I'm starving now, but I did a workout and then I hopped in the shower and now I'm doing my skincare. And then I'm gonna be doing my mom's and my aunt's makeup later. They're going to a nikah, so I'm gonna do their makeup. But I thought I'd get ready too because I want to go out later. We'll do like a mini makeup look, but skincare. 2 seconds. I've been using, because it's so hot, I don't use shea butter anymore, but I use like toners that are like hydrating. So I use the Laneige Cream Skin in the daytime, and then I also use the Youth to the People Triple Peptide Cactus Oasis Serum, which is really, really good and really hydrating. And then I got a package from Youth to the People. It's a little unboxing. I opened it, but you know, this is how the little thing came. Youth to the People, I love them. They always send me their little PR little boxes. It's not sponsored, they're just sending it to like whoever does a little Instagram thing. But yeah, this is the box, and they usually do like descriptions around the box of like what the product is. Let me tell you what it is first. Peptide-121 Future Cream. It strengthens, firms, moisturizes, there's plant proteins and biotech collagen. This is really good if you have dry skin like me. But yeah, I think I'm gonna like try it now on camera. Actually, I'm gonna do my toner first. But yeah, this is like a firming one, which I like because I'm not on retinol right now. I do want to get on retinol eventually, but I guess this might ease me into it. But yeah, this is the little packaging. Everything that they use is like recyclable and sustainable. I love their packaging. It's always glass, never plastic. Well, this might be plastic, but it might be like recycled plastic. But that's how it looks. Love new skincare. Obsessed with new skincare always. It's so hot that I'm sweating. Like, this is so ghetto. One thing about vlogging is like, I want to get on camera all the time, but I'm never like covered. So I'm like, okay, guess we're not filming that. Like my workout today, could have filmed it, but I was like, I'm not putting a hijab on. But that's how I put my toner on. Literally just put it in my hands and put it on my face, and I put it down my neck too. Serum. I just use one pump of this because I don't know. I feel like one pump is enough. So yeah, I'm gonna let this dry down, and then I'm gonna try out the new moisturizer. This might be my new day moisturizer. I might use this during the day or at night. If it's too rich, I just might keep it for nighttime. But yes, thank you to the people. I love this. Can't wait to share it on my Instagram. Make sure you guys follow my Instagram. I'm gonna put my Instagram right here. I'm gonna do like a fancy little unboxing on there and talk about it a bit more. And then I'm just gonna spend the rest of the day editing. So yeah, let me try this. I'm also gonna eat because I'm starving. And I'm including last weekend's vlog into this weekly vlog. So it's gonna end today, Saturday. And then I'll probably start up again tomorrow for Sunday to the next week. So yeah, thanks guys for watching and whatever, coming along with me. This is drying down really nicely. Yeah, my skin feels good. All right.